Hi guys, it's Alex from Mentoring Effect, and all of you probably know me from the live events, some of you from the coaching and from the actually as my clients. And I would like to just share a few things because I'm getting a lot of messages and people ask me how actually they can work with us or what we actually selling. And I would like to share just two major programs we have that can probably help you right now because the live events that I'm running, they are just pieces of the content that we actually have in Advance Your Business program. And I'm giving that away for free because I really think that you can gain a lot of things from that and knowledge, and you can start already implement small tools, marketing tools into your business and probably get some sales even without us and just use the stuff that we are giving away for free. But anyway, if you want to go deeper and if you really would like to have structure and all program, I will just run through what it is about. Advance Your Business is basically 8 weeks program, and it's starting with mindset for success. That means mindset with for successful business and yourself. We're trying to help people to get rid of self-doubt, build awareness, and also how to overcome resistance. That means negative emotions, of course, because based on that emotions or based on resistance, we are making the decisions sometimes, and our decisions should be conscious and we should be aware of that, of what we're doing, and they should be all leading us into our desired results. We will go through ideal client. That means we will do market research. We will do with you some research around your ideal client. We will have a lot of exercise on that. After that, we're going through communication. That means if you have already your ideal client, how do you communicate to your audience, how to connect with them, how to actually build your signature talk that will connect you with your audience. And it can be on your networking, it can be on your programs, it can be on your Facebook group, it can be live, it can be any video, just to be sure you have some kind of structure and you know how to get people to listen to you. After that, we're going through pivot your products, services, and we're creating low barrier products. That means there are products that you can give away. You can give something to people. They will taste your programs. They will taste working with you, and they will have some kind of experience. And that experience has to be positive because you want people after that actually to come back to you. And we will show you how to digitalize and virtualize, how to take your business and programs or services or products online, and we will create lead magnets that are very important for the connection or for the like an entry for the client that actually is already committed and making decisions. Marketing, content marketing, schedule posts on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn. We will run through the platforms and also YouTube and how to create the videos and also how to make a sales, of course. That is our major program that is actually you can get it two ways, and one way is self-paced program, of course. It's 8 week program and you can have access to our membership area. You can get all your worksheets, your videos, all your materials, and you will have access to a Facebook group where you can learn with us, and also you can ask questions. And also we will get a lot of different things like a bonus group coaching, and it's 397. That's the one-time payment, or is the program is actually with guidance and it's with mentors and our graphic designers or our website developers. It's basically something that you would need if you want to implement all steps and you don't know anything about the platforms, or you don't know a lot about social media, or you don't know a lot about how to build up membership area. I think it's very good to connect with all those people and have all the knowledge and experts coming into your website or coming into your platforms and show you what to do and how to do it by yourself. That means it's basically one-time payment, but you can run your business this way. You don't need to pay other contractors. You can just do it by yourself because those people will teach you how to do it and how to implement that very easily way. Because I'm not IT guru, but I created this program, basically the step-by-step things that you can implement by yourself. It's easy to do that. You don't need to pay any advertisement. And basically showing you how to create that connection with your customer and how to bring customer from cold to warm and how to actually sell them. And you don't need to be salesy, you don't need to sound salesy. It's amazing, trust me, and I will be happy to help you here. That means there's another program, and that's more about mindset, conscious mind, and it's Quantum Leap. This is our flagship. This is our first and major program. We actually love to work with people on this program, and it's basically really focused on your mind and your mindset and your conscious mind, and showing you how we make decisions unconsciously every day we're making choices really unconsciously, because our choices is, I think it's 20,000 choices we make every day. Can you imagine that? And we don't even think about that, and we don't even know about that. And it's huge, and it's really helpful to know what we're doing and how we make decisions. We will talk about accountability, becoming consistent and accountable to yourself, what is very important in business and life. We will build conscious awareness of when you are just wasting your time instead of investing in. We will build up focus, just to be sure you're organized and understand where are you at in all areas of your life and what areas actually need more focus. We'll talk about resistance and build emotional intelligence with you. We'll show you the tools you can use and become aware and conscious person that will actually bring you the result at the end in business or life or relationships or anywhere or in health. We will talk about desire, purpose, and get clear on what you really want and desire and what is your purpose. And basically, we will do some planning. We will plan meaningful, self-motivated goals, what is important, because we want to wake up in the morning and be motivated every day. And that's what happened to me. I am, because I really know my mission. I know why I'm doing things, and that's very important in your business. And most of my decisions are, I hope, already conscious, really building and working on that all the time. And also we will give you structure for planning, 90-day planning, and we will show you how to actually plan those meaningful goals that will keep you motivated, and how to evaluate. And this is also another thing that you have options to do that as a self-paced program, 8-week program only for $197. What is really funny price, because we really want to give away this program to people and we want them to experience that. And also you can download free demo. That means you can see where we are starting with the first week. And what is the session like, and there will be a lot of other bonuses inside of the membership area you will have access to. Also, there is option to have it with mentors and coaches, what I really can't more recommend, because that's amazing program, and it's very important to understand every lesson or class we do. It's really important to understand what we are talking about and be able to implement that. That means we will probably have a lot of questions, but you can jump on Facebook, or you can jump on the call with mentors or coaches, and you can always have group coaching. And this one is only for $1,997, what is really amazing. And happy to create any payment plan if you need, and hope this helped to explain what we do. I will see you next Thursday on our live event. I hope so. See ya. Bye.